back on what would be considered sort of a road. More of a... Well, it's got a road name according to the GPS. But, yeah. It's more of an ATV trail, really. Let's be careful up here. I sold a Subaru to buy my EOS, and then as I get to wondering if this would be a place to move back to, it's like, well, I'd have to sell the EOS to get another Subaru. Sometimes I wonder. I know mine had decent ground clearance on the Outback, but maybe I need something a bit bigger in order to get back into places I want to be. Alright, GPS, let's see what you're doing to me. Whatever bug you are, get out. Thank you. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go slow. At some points you realize probably not making the greatest decision in the history of the world, but you keep going anyways, because you got to see. Maybe I should have told the GPS paved roads, huh? It's awesome. Isn't this awesome though? Isn't it just totally awesome? Don't get stuck. Sand can get deep sometimes. I really can't believe it took me this way. I just don't want to meet up with somebody like on an ATV going. Okay, there's going to be a bunch of this for a while, and then at the 6:35 mark you get to see me make a bad decision. Not terrible, it works out. Alright, I am truly loving this. Imagine this in the fall. Again, I bet you could get back in here someplace and find a little pull-off and nobody would know. Then again, oh shit. Not really the road I want to take Eddie on. Do it. We made it. Sometimes you just gotta guess if you're gonna make it or not. Oh, this is big. Must be nice to the rental. I wonder if their GPS tracked me. See where I've been. Like, I'm sorry, my GPS told me to go down these roads. I didn't realize it. And then you get down there, and what are you gonna do? Gotta keep going. Yeah. You have to find a little bit road a little bit better than this to boondock in my RV in. Still awesome. Whoa, look out, pheasant. Is that a pheasant? What was that? I don't know. Didn't get a good look at you. You're big. Wonder if you guys got to see that. Tell me this isn't fun. Too long of this yet. Nice. Very nice. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Again, trying to be gentle. No chips, no dings. Beauty of the North Woods. I think this was really meant for a compact. I know it all looks very similar, but man. Alright, I'll try not to keep showing it. It's just awesome. All right, let's see. Woo! We didn't get stuck. I don't know where I'm going to turn around, but we're not going that way. Oh my God, that was close. Alright, I'm going to admit, YouTube, that scared the shit out of me. I thought I was stuck. Trees I don't want to scratch. Oh man. All right. Well, if we see that one, it's gonna be from how the directions go. Oh man. I gotta back up. I gotta take a picture of that. Alright. This is good enough. Was a really bad idea. It got deep quick. Oh man. That little rental car. Seriously, like 2 inches of ground clearance. Rip the air dam off or nothing. but it was deep. I don't know how the video is going to come out, but I was stuck for a second. Really bad idea, Dan. You saw me, I walked out and checked. I was like, it didn't seem real deep where I put that rock. If I'd have thrown that rock another foot, I probably would have heard kablunk. I guess the moral of the story is throw more than one rock. Holy shit. It's awesome! Because I'm still moving. I'm going to say it's awesome when I get back on dry road. Wow. Which way did I do this? I went over here. Okay, that's excited and relieved. Okay, just because you're relieved, don't drive stupid.
In 2 3/4 miles, turn left.
2 3/4. Alright, elf boy. But yeah, we're going to a car wash. I guess if you come to the UP and you rent a car, splurge for the 4-wheel drive. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera on. I'm sitting here thinking how many people went, oh no dude, don't try that. you don't want to do that. I'm probably lucky that I didn't get more speed up, you know, thinking, oh, let me get some speed up and make it through this. I'd have got stuck. I was really close to stuck. Wow, it's awesome, huh? We'll see how awesome it is once I get back to paved road, or like a road. I gotta tell you though, I'm having a great and wonderful day. That was fucking awesome. Envisioning the rental. How was the car? Oh, it was good. Yeah, nice. Drove up to Copper Harbor. It was wonderful. Checked out some waterfalls. Yeah. What's funny though is I'm trying to be gentle to it. Other than, you know, I don't think I'd have brought my car here like this. Let's see. I went this way before, so I made it. Ah, it's nothing. Dude tried to cross a lake. Oh no, you don't want to do that. Alright. I just really wanted to see that waterfall. I'm gonna make it a goal now to actually see it, but not from this way. I'll get back into civilization and follow the directions on the map a little bit more. I don't know what the hell your problem is, elf boy. Alright, shut up about it already. It's over. What was I thinking going back in here? That could have been really bad. Because I was 6 miles back in there. I got my phone on airplane. Yeah, there's no signal out here. Alright, do not recommend, but it worked out, huh? Well, let's not say nothing. I don't want to take this lightly. Make a dumb mistake here and do something stupid. dirt road, like a road. There's mud all up in that engine compartment. Tough little car. I'm all good. I tried to get to the falls down that road in this.
Which falls?
What is it? Black River Falls?
Oh, you're way off.
I know.
Yeah.
Stupid GPS. I got like 6 miles in, and there's pretty much a lake. I went out through a couple rocks, and I'm like, well, if I stay to the side. Dude, I'm lucky I'm still not there.
You know, if you follow this road all the way through, you come out to 581.
Right.
And Black River the falls aren't very far from there. But yeah,
it's a rental too.
Yeah, it's a 12-mile long cruise, and it's all you can see the iron ore. And,
oh,
yeah.
I gotta wash a rental before I take it back.
Yeah.
Whew, that was not. My GPS called it a road, you know, and I got a little bit. I'm like,
Yeah. GPSs are nice, but
they're stupid.
Yeah. Good luck.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
See, people stop to make sure everything's okay. This is a road-ish. But yeah, we're gonna wash this thing. I'm wondering if I should wash the engine compartment down. Maybe when it cools tonight, I'll wipe it again and just wipe it down a little bit. I don't know if they're gonna pop the hood and say like, Jesus. They might have a good laugh. Tell their friends what this idiot tried to do. But it was one of those deals where I knew it was not a wise decision and might end badly, but I just had to keep going. And luckily, I was only partially stupid. I'm really relieved I didn't get stuck back there. It was close for a second. Alright, have a great and wonderful day. I don't know why this road needed to be so windy, but I'm really glad it is. Now have a great and wonderful day.